Yesterday, I created this logo using 100% AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, how I did it, and how you can do it too. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. As I mentioned yesterday, I created this logo and I'm actually really shocked at how it turned out. I have no eye for design at all. I am not a graphic designer. I know nothing about graphic design, but what I will do is I'll show you exactly how I did this using 100% AI. So yesterday I was finishing up a membership site called the Digital Dynasty Builders, where basically I help people make money online, but I needed a website. And so what I did, what any normal person would do, is they tried to think of different ways of creating a logo without spending any money. So the first thing that I did is I jumped over to ChatGPT and I had it create a list of name ideas for membership sites for people that want to make money online. Hit enter and it's going to give us a few different names. So once you find a name, you are going to jump over to a software called Midjourney. Now, Midjourney has two tiers. It has a free tier and a paid tier. Midjourney is embedded in something called Discord. Now, I'm not going to go through the process of explaining what Midjourney is and Discord and how to use it, because there are tons of other videos. What I want to do is I want to show you how you can use AI software to help you build a business. It can be used to build out logos that you can sell, or you can actually use this as a part of your business. So what I did, once I got Midjourney all set up, now I am using the paid tier. As I came over here, I hit the backslash, the image prompt, and then I just typed in logo for, and then the name of my business. Hit enter, and then in about a minute or so, it actually comes up with a few suggestions. Now, while we wait for Midjourney to come up with a few ideas, let me show you what the actual logo is. Now, that's a pretty good logo for digital brand builders. I didn't have to tell it to give me special colors. This looks like royalty. This looks like something from, the mid-century and someone building a dynasty. So I actually like the way that this looks. I think this actually turned out really good. And this was on the first try. So if we come over here, look at these logos. Logo for Passport Profit. Now, if we take a look, these don't look too bad. The only concern that I would have is the one on the bottom left. It kind of looks like the Seattle Mariners logo, but that's not too bad. If I like them, I can simply click on the U1 like this. As you can see, it'll actually come out with an individual one. We're going to click on it, and then we're actually going to right click and save if we like it. If we don't like it, we can either hit V1 to have it come up with a new version, and we can scroll down and in about a minute or so, we're going to get a new version, or we can click this kind of like rewind so that it gives us 4 different opportunities. And again, you could do this for anything. If we wanted to, we could actually ask it to give us certain colors. And as you can see, it gave us a few different ideas. So what we can do is let's hit this refresh so we can get 4 different ideas. And again, about a minute or so, it's going to give us something brand new. And again, the cool thing with this is that you could start a Fiverr gig, for example, where you create logos. You could use something like Midjourney to help you build, and it does really a lot of the work for you. Now remember, when you are creating content using AI, you're going to get out of it what you put into it. So if you put out very general information, it's going to give you very general information. For example, Passport or Profit Passport, it's focusing heavily on passport and travel. So you might want to do something like, we'll do / imagine logo, Passport Profit, colors, we'll say black and gold. Or if you don't like it at all, you could always come back over to ChatGPT and we can find something like Income Insider or Profit Engineer. So let's use Profit Engineers for the next one. But this is actually really easy, and you can see that it's really only taken 6 or 7 minutes to create this. It doesn't take a lot of time, and you can get a lot of information that you could actually, again, you can sell this. If you wanted to, you could start kind of like a business. You could start a business where you create and sell logos at an affordable price. If we went over to Fiverr and we look to see how much people are charging for logos, you can see logos start from $5 and they can be as expensive as hundreds of dollars. But if you can save your own time and money and in fact make money simply building out logos, you could be successful. Now, what I would do if we come back over to Discord, you can see that it came up with a few different ideas. The one drawback to using Midjourney is it doesn't necessarily understand words because it's creating images, but you could always fix this in post-production. If you know how to use Photopea or Photoshop or Affinity Photo, you could actually swap out these words and make it so that it's a little bit more coherent. But you can see it does a pretty good job of following directions. Where we put in logo, profit passport colors, black and gold, it actually did that for us. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do this one more time, and we are going to do /imagine just like this. We are going to do, once again, logo. We're going to paste this in, Profit Pioneers, and we want the colors to be colors blue and orange. Hit enter. But if you wanted to turn this into a way to make money, kind of a side hustle, it's going to be competitive because there are literally thousands, over 200,000 people that are able, willing, and ready to build logos. But if you wanted to try this with Fiverr, you simply would create a new gig, and then I would say, hey, look, I'll create logos for you. Let them know that you're using AI. Be honest, be transparent. But if they decide to purchase your gig, tell them exactly what you need. Tell them that you want clear instructions about the type of business it is, the business name, that also helps very well, and the colors that they want used. So if we come back over here, Profit Pioneers, colors blue and orange, it's not terrible. It's very interesting with the ways that it went, but you can see that it's coming up with something creative. But let's do this one more time. We'll do logo, Profit Pioneers, blue and orange, and let's do this. Let's see if we can get out something a little bit better, and hit enter. And we can see what pops out. Now again, Midjourney has both a free and paid version of this. The free version, you'll actually see everybody else's designs as well. With the paid version, you create your own little Discord channel where these are private to me. No one else can see these except for you, of course, but no one else can see these. And so you have a little bit of freedom and flexibility and creativity. Now, if we look at these, I don't know that I am in love with any of these. What we could do is let's just change this to imagine one more time. We're going to do logo, profit, and let's see what happens when we hit space, Pioneers, blue and orange like that, and see if we can get something out a little bit better. But as you can see, this is a really cool, easy way that you can build out different logos. This is a really simple, easy way that you could kind of start a side hustle helping people out. This is a real cool, easy way to quickly create a logo without having to spend $50 like you would over here on Fiverr. Again, some of these go from between $25 and $100. What we could do is we could compare the logos that Midjourney creates versus this logo to see if it comes up with something better. Lighthouse logo, we can come back over here. I actually don't mind some of these. These aren't that bad. What we could do is we'll do this one more time just to show you how easy and quickly that this works. We could do logo, lighthouse, light, and we'll say gray colors, gray and yellow. Hit enter, and it should give us something pretty decent to work with. But it's really as easy as that. It's strange how quickly we can come up with things where 4, 5, 6 years ago, I would have had to hop over to Fiverr, pay somebody to do this, and then go back and forth. And to pay somebody to do this, because they usually have a lot of people that they're working with, it would take at least 3, 4, 5 days, maybe even a week to have a logo. And then if you're not satisfied with it, you have to go back and forth. However, with Midjourney, they come up with this logo here. As you can see, these logos aren't half bad. You could actually just put text underneath or text overlay, and you, just like that, you have 4 good ones that you could share with your client. So you could say, hey, which of these 4 do you like? If you want me to add text, let me know and I can do that. But it's really as simple as that. It's 2023 is an exciting and scary time because it's really, really easy to do stuff. As long as you are controlling the AI software and it's not just running amok. Now that you've been able to see the types of logos that I've created, if you want to get started selling private label rights products or PLR products, I've actually put together a list of over 30 products at this point that you have instant access to that you can download and sell. Click the second link in the description or go to plrrepository.com to get instant access to these products that you can sell on Etsy, Facebook, YouTube, anywhere that you'd like. Click the second link in the description to get started today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.